Brussels train station trying to squeeze everything into a locker. We're in Belgium. In Brussels. Anything to say? We got Belgian fries. Smile. That's a nice Belgian flag behind you. Welcome to Brussels boot camp.
Let's get ready to rumble! Y'all ready for this?
Purpose of this machine.
It's for women to get stronger in the kitchen because they mix things.
Mix it faster.
I'm gonna be a great housewife.
Got Belgian waffles in Belgium. Walking through the streets of Amsterdam. Do you have anything to say, Alex?
It's not as scary in the day.
Part of the vlog where we show you all the things we can't afford. Mashup.
I was born to flex, yes. Diamonds on my neck. I like boarding jets, I like more.
Can't afford that.
There's nothing in this world that I like more than checks. Money. All I really wanna see is the money. I don't really need a D, I need the money. All I back need is the money. I got bands in the coop, bustin' out the roof. I got bands in the coop. Touch me.
Talking to Heineken.
We can afford this. Here's a video. Cheers.
Chris is here.
Five, 4.
3, 2, 1. Cusco, Cusco. Go, go. Everybody put your hands up. Oh, that was kind of a letdown.